Hi, this is Daniel Thomas Andrew Daly again. This video presentation is Basic Botany 2. And I think I'll talk about a few fruits. This is a pineapple. Big fruit. I won't cut this one. It's manufactured by the company is the King of Fruit. And it's a mini gold label or something, and it's Australian grown. It's grown in Australia, so that's a pineapple. And we get pineapple, the fruit from it, and pineapples grow on the ground. I think they grow on the ground, not on a tree, but I'm not 100% sure. I can't recall how pineapples grow. It's been years since I've known that. But that's a pineapple, which is a big fruit. You use it on pizza, and it's not in fruit salads and stuff like that. It's a lovely fruit, really a tropical fruit. It's great fruit. There's an orange. An orange is a fruit, and it's orange in colour. And I'll cut. It's from the citrus fruits. Like a lemon is a citrus fruit. This is also a citrus fruit. I'll cut the orange in half, and show you inside the orange. And it's a sweeter fruit, and it makes good fruit juice, which you can drink. There's the orange, and there's the orange. And I think these should have seeds in them. It could be a genetically designed one which is seedless. No, it's got seeds. But, is it? Yeah, these days in DNA, with genetic modification, they make oranges without seeds. So I'm not sure if there's normally with seeds like the lemon seeds in natural organic oranges. There's lemon seeds. I'm not sure if there's seeds in this one. Being bred without seeds, which is pretty silly if you want to grow seeds from it, but it is an example of an orange, and usually they have seeds. There might be seeds in there, I'm not sure. But that's an orange. And you can have orange, you can make orange juice from oranges, you can just eat the orange because it's nice enough to eat. So they're oranges. And that's an apple. There's a long tradition of the apple as a forbidden fruit in the culture of Adam and Eve, but I don't think it's really true. The apple is actually a very good fruit. Apple juice and eating apples is excellent. I'll cut the apple as well. Cut it in half. This is, I think this type of apple, I think is called a Johnson's. I'm not sure. It might be something else. Not really sure. Well, it's what happened. There's the inside of the apple tree. There's the seeds in it. This one does have seeds in it. And like the lemon tree, you can plant the seeds of the apple tree. But they plant themselves naturally itself when the apple falls to the ground and the apple decays, the seeds go into the soil, and they often make another tree which sort of happens naturally. So fruit trees grow naturally. And on my thumb there are two of the apple seeds. There's a couple of the apple seeds I've taken from the apple. And that's an appling you can make. Apple jack and apple pie you can make with apples, cutting up pieces of the flesh of the apple. You can eat the skin of the apple without too many problems. The skin's okay. Oranges, you don't normally eat the skin. You can if you want. Orange rind's used for things. The rind of the skin, the covering of the skin's used for stuff in cooking. But apple, you can make apple pie and apple juice. You can, by mushing it down, you make the apple juice. You can drink the apple juice, and you just eat the apple, and you put the apple in fruit salads and things. And an apple is apple juice. There's lots of types of apple juice. There's lots of varieties of apples. Well, that's an example of one of the types of apples. And I'll take a bite. Tastes good. They say it's polite to eat with your mouth open, or mouth closed. So keep your lips closed when you eat. I don't normally care. Sometimes I do it. I remember. And you're not supposed to talk when you're eating, which is another faux pas of etiquette, apparently. That's where you get taught. I don't normally care much. Apples. Apples, oranges. Now, watermelons also get, they make watermelons without seeds, seedless watermelons, because they're easier to eat. And they're generally the same sorts of things, but in terms of natural organic fruit, where you don't breed seedless sort of fruits, You just have oranges with seed and watermelons if you have growing watermelons with seed. And I think organic is possibly the way to go, but the seedless ones are okay. But it's man playing God, isn't it? Messing around creating seedless fruit. Eunuchs, aren't they, or something? That's a bit of a joke. Fruit without seed, but basic botany too.